Maybe it's off topic video because it's not related to the automation, but it's related to your Google Sheet data. Sometimes you have not access to your Google Sheet through Atoma or anywhere else. So in this case, you can convert your Google Sheet into API. I'll show you this method here in extension active, and I'll also mention the code in a description. You can use it later. After getting this code, you'll put here and save it. After saving, you'll click here deploy, new deployment. On the left sidebar, you will not get anything. First time, you'll push this option web app, and here is description is optional. Web app drop down is required. So here will be your email. Who has access? That's a required drop down. You'll need to push here anyone, and now deploy. At the time of deploy, it will ask getting access to your document. So just accept it. After copy this URL, that will work like a API. I'll show you how. When you push in a URL bar, you'll get here data. Anywhere else in another tool like here, I'll also get here data. I hope it makes sense to get access to your data through API.